Soroboti Gosegetwa Abaorokigwa ba Junior Secondary ime EKAONTI ya NYAMIRA nigo babuligwe Kobeka Omokia asogocha kubwatia enchera y'ekiseme ya Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics yimanyikaine una STEM ekero beyaliganitie gochegoswa asechискuru cha Senior Secondary. Okubuligwa ko nigo kwarwegwa hamo no coordinator of Special Programs and Student Learning, the Center for Mathematics, Science and Technology Education in Africa, Joseph Kuria. Anigo hayakwanire ekero ale gosieka OMOROBERIO STEM outreach ase eskuru ya Junior Secondary School ya NYAMIRA maiga y'OMOROBERIO kweira ewikingi momulikito Vincent Monda norobotire.
Gakwerera igoro y'OMOROBERIO omuteneri oboni gatebire no OMOROBERIO obaterigisa ligi yali amasomo Abaorokigwa.
The intention of this STEM outreach is to motivate more and more learners to have interest in STEM subjects so that as they transit to senior school, more and more learners can take up the STEM pathway.
Nonyenigo ebakubaterania abalimu asechискuru egere basegeto omulimo o science, omulimo technology na baigolyo bw'ekisabu gokorwa.
I think the program for today has been a bit helpful, talking about the energy transformation, the learners seeing the real of how the energy is quite transformed. It's incorporating the real into classrooms, make the classroom more active.
So as a science teacher, from today's program, I've learned that I'm going to come up with a program that I'm going to make sure that those learners who normally avoid interacting with the apparatus.
Mwalimu monene ase skuru yo ya Nyambaria Junior Davis Okemwa ni gatebire ogokeiro koba ko OMOROBERIO ase skuru yaye.
My learners have enjoyed equally to the teachers. It's a very good experience, especially on practical part of it. My learners have really gained, especially in the use of practicals, the apparatus, and the approaches in STEM. We had been teaching them theory part of it. For example, we just mentioned pans and panna, microscope, but today they are seeing the things in real.
BWE'NCHERA ya moyo kurusyo bwaba asemeremeli akorolekana meko mwake Abaorokigwa nigo bagokera maorokereria yu asekiria bagoteba nigo bairo moyo bwo gosoma.
And I thank the STEM group that came here. It has helped us a lot. We have learned biology, physics, maths. I have learned a lot and gained some skills and knowledge through physics and biology.
Today I've enjoyed a lot. So let's start from biology. It was an interesting lesson.
So today I've learned about biology, and I like biology because the apparatus, they are well, and I have that passion to pursue.
I'm happy for this program of semester coming to our school. Part of it, the learning areas. Number one, I've been able to interact with the apparatus that I've used in laboratories.
Asechискuru chiri OMOROBERIO oegeire gati abo Nyambaria Junior School ime ya Kitutu Masaba kebabe Junior School ime ya Noti Mugirango amone chinde nigo batebire no OMOROBERIO ogocha no buyo bonge.
It is our request that you keep on coming so that the learners can be able to interact more.
What excited me today most was when I saw my learners. So when they saw the plant cell, the one we had discussed, and they saw it exactly the way it is in the book, and they saw the same image in the microscope.
Mumanyi chochi nyabero no curriculum support officer kurwa magombo Kitutu Masaba nigakorengania kurwa makolyo etete nigo Abaorokigwa bange bakonyegeta no OMOROBERIO eliokogenderia chisemi chabo.
Performance of STEM is wonderful. Like last year in my zone, most learners pursued STEM pathway. When we go to our national school like Nyambaria, Sironga, Kereli, Nyabururu, most of our learners are pursuing STEM because the teachers did so well in guiding them, and they have chosen STEM as their pathway.
EKAONTI ya NYAMIRA gegokora asechire sano OMOROBERIO ole gwikirana omwakoyo nigo abo bisabo OMOROBERIO bagoteba nabo baroche mbuyo bwatirwe asechискuru.
The program has been received very well in the schools. Teachers particularly have appreciated the activities that learners were taken through because they derived from the curriculum designs. they have appreciated that science can be done through practical activities that can easily be developed by the teachers.
Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.